Yeah.
That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repeat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my own crochet box braids, and the reason being I wanted to do this video is because whenever I have my braids done and people are like, oh, your braids are so nice, who did them? And I'm just there like, I did it myself. And they're like, how? So I wanted to show you guys just what I use, just everything. So let's get started. So before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys all you're going to be needing is a crochet needle, a comb, a scissors, as well as edge control, but that depends if you want to use it or not. But I like using it because it really makes the hair look extra nice for me. And what I like about this edge control is that when you apply it, it's a little bit hard, but eventually gets soft because it got oils in it, which is shea butter and jojoba oil. And I got this edge control at Clicks, by the way. And the fiber that I'm going to be using is this darling fiber. It's a black and blonde color and 39 inches, but I cut it because I don't want it so long. Okay, I'll end up braiding for 2 weeks. So let's get started, guys, and let me not waste any more time. Okay. So basically when I get started, I basically just comb all my hair back so that I can start lining. So I'm just going to show you from the front what all I do. So I basically just make a line, my first line here. So I am back. So I just went, I know I probably look like a crazy woman right now, but what I went to go and do is I just wanted to do the lining behind scenes because it was going to take up a lot of time. So as you guys can see, my lines are straight now, and I just went to go and do it basically all over my head, just lines right across. So I'm just going to start with my block braids now. So I'm not doing the small ones or the big ones. This is basically just in between. Yeah, medium size. So basically with these block braids, I do the ones whereby I braid a little bit like this. It's just like really a little, not too much, but just so that the crochet needle can enter and add the fiber in. So that's basically enough, just so little. Then what I do is I come in with my fiber. So this is how long the fiber is, not too long. Then I just do this here, then I hold it with my 2 fingers like this. Then I take the crochet needle, I enter it like this, and then I just take the fiber and pull it out into the other side, as you guys can see. Then I pull the one side out, and what I do is I take this side, and then this, I'm very bad at explaining, okay? Basically I just twist it on top and then I start braiding, as you guys can see. Then when I get a little bit closer, hope you guys can see. When I get a little bit closer, I just steal some hair from this braid, just a little bit. And I give it onto this one. And then I come this side and I steal a little bit of hair from this side and give it onto that braid again. Then I start braiding again. Just like that. Ooh, so as you can see, my hair is a little bit thick, so I just carry on braiding. So I don't want to take up too much time and do the whole braiding, so I'll just do half and then next on to the next braid. So the only thing with fiber is that it gets really knotty, especially when you want to add fiber onto the next plait. Well, not next plait, but you know, to share it with the other single, and it ends up getting like so knotty, but you just have to fight with it basically. Okay. So I like my middle part, but most people don't like doing the middle part. So if you feel you don't want to do the middle part, you can always just line, you know, make a block right there. But I like it. So So sometimes this happens when the braid is too tight. Then when you try pulling the fiber through, you struggle with it. So just make sure your braid is a little bit loose. Or if it's not that there, then you must know you have too much fiber. But with people that like doing the thick box braids, then you should get maybe a bigger needle because mine is really small. So just try that there. So before I forget, why I like using the crochet braids is because a lot of people do the fiber whereby they take the fiber and they like wrap it around your roots like 2 times, and every time without fail, whenever I used to get my braids done like that, the basically more hair comes out than the usual. So it's nice, but it ends up pulling out your hair even more. Now with this fiber, I mean with this crochet way, basically your hair is not even getting pulled. It's not sore at all, but it fits right. It's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's just right. So that's why I prefer using this way. so my hair is not getting pulled out. It's still looking nice. So that's the reason. Okay, I was thinking, since you guys see how I braid the hair and what I do, I was thinking I'll do the rest of them behind scenes and then I'll come back when I'm almost done. So I'll be back.
One eternity later.
No, I'm almost done. Last section, guys. And I am back, so I hope you guys can see how my braidings came out, because they really came out nice and I'm really happy with them. But my advice to you guys is, if you're doing your braidings alone, make sure you have someone next to you just to help you with the endings, because that will save you much more time. And I'm just really happy with them, okay? But thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment anything you would like. Thanks again, guys. Bye.